want to drink liquor. I don't like liquor. But the bear's at the game. Oh my.
Harness training, take one.
Ender, what? He's only been a doggy.
Oh, shut.
Beat that.
Beat that?
Are you done being rude? Oh, apparently not. Oh, let's go!
Go, buddy.
It's a fire swim.
Oh no!
Can you show me your booty?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
She was insistent. She says, no, I heard the window. So I got my time.
Stop, you're scaring me.
No, no, you're not coming in with that thing.
Biscuits, biscuits, it's time to make biscuits.
Percy!
Shark, you hungry?
Help, help, help! Please help!
Are you spicy?
He's a male. He's a very loving cat. Hey.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Yeah!
Get a dog.
Just like that, and a nasty girl.
What? Hello, boy.
Playing in the cobwebs. You look like you're wearing a veil.
I thought today was your day with the brain cell. What happened? Oh, you. Oh. To you too.
Oh, sorry. I'm a cat lover. I'm sorry.
Analyzing content. So like what happens is, for example,
The choice is yours.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Oh my god!
This is Howl, and we're going to test to see if we can survive a quiet place.
No. No. Listen and watch it.
Gosh.
Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no. You're gonna fall.
Get it off of you. Okay.
What? Oh!
Butter?
Que yo vine fue a esto. Uga.
Hi, my name is Erin. I use she, her pronouns, and I am this.
Hey!
Ma'am.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
No, they are my chicken nuggets. Dude. Okay, I got your blood.
Why are you taking my food?
Three, two, one.
Laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Here, kitty. You can have cheeseburger.
Macaroni turns one. Oh, ow.
Is this the real?
All of you on one hand. My God.
Your demise.